3, 2, 1.
You might be wondering why we have an apartment in the Ozark Innovation Center and how we got here. Well, let's back up to the beginning of the school year.
During this whole entire project, as we get into the planning of the furniture and how we're going to design it, how we're going to lay out the space, we've really got to think about the people that are going to be using it. We're looking at putting this apartment together for real people who are going to be using it. So these students are going to be using the space to learn how to do things like make their bed, do dishes, cook, sit at a table, doing maybe vacuuming, dusting, those types of things that we all have to do in our apartment.
So the functional skills transitional living apartment provides students with opportunities to learn more about secondary living. So we're working on skills such as laundry, doing dishes, how to care for an apartment, right? And so students are able to gain these skills here at the OIC. So that way when they graduate, they have those skills ready to be successful in any post-secondary life. So whether they're gonna live by themselves or they're gonna go to a college, they're gonna have that skill set and be ready. And so we want them to first be able to get that skill set and then be able to transition into our other transitional class where they work on finding job placement and how to have a career. Okay.
This apartment allowed us to learn how to clean and learn how to cook in real life. So after school, we can handle life on our own.
Our new program here is going to be called Strive. We want students to strive to be successful. We're very thankful for all the different students that have been able to work on this project, and I'm excited to see what's to come for Ozark. So.
Three, 2, 1.